front. Timing perfect. John, thanks very much. Did you coming back tomorrow or are you elsewhere?
No, I've volunteered one of my colleagues to come and do a take to my life.
This is a tactical. It draws in enough air to inflate 72,000 party balloons in 1 second. Wow, that's a lot of air you're going to have to move. Now, this particular aircraft flying in front of us, the third public display at Farnborough, new generation airlift engine service for the French Air Force last September, already being deployed now. The Turkish Air Force will also be delivered. 174 aircraft have been ordered by 8 nations: Belgium, France, Germany, Luxembourg, by Malaysia, Spain, Turkey and the United Kingdom, meaning that its production for many years to come has been secured. Are produced by 4 Euro International TV400 engines. Those powerful turboprops in production help to give this remarkable aircraft this versatility that it's showing. Aircraft can fly intercontinental missions at speeds and altitudes comparable with jet aircraft up to 0.72 Mach, 70 speed of sound. It can go up to 40,000 feet. It can then land in a short 100 airstrips close to the horizon as well.
Oh, why not? Also, just looking at it, I'm going to show you, here's my lack of knowledge now. So this device, is that the refuelling?
That Great Lake scaffolding pole ahead of the thing. Yep, there's indeed, if you look at the big screen, you'll probably get a better close at it. That's the in-flight refuelling probe. We're going to get out in front so far as to see where to put it. But this aircraft can also be used as a refueling tanker itself. So with its great speed range, it can refuel fighters. Up to 160 fully kitted troops can be transported on the sideboard and the centre seats, pulling up, fly, take their arms, push and push and down. So that's it's an exciting position to be standing between the 2 seats on that approach. In the medical role, the type can carry 66 stretchers and 25 medical staffs. They've been doing air drops already. They've had some experimental trials down by Toulouse lobby. There's about 4-ton loads out and back down by Toulouse. The rapid trials. So as you get closer, I think you'll find how large it really is. The enormity of the aircraft. Runway lights have gone out, means that the A400M is called downwind to land. It doesn't mean that we've got water in the plug. We've got 2 different types of configuration of runway here at Farnborough. The standard one, and we have Farnborough Long, which we use for the show, which gives about another 1,000 feet of runway length and brings the display landing data a bit closer to you. So because you've still got to go down the far end of the runway to turn around. You'll have the demonstration of a very short landing on the first day, and he comes down there and he's not very much problem.
Yes, we do indeed. So I'm going to update you as soon as I get hold of those. We'll update you on some selfies that have been sent in, people here at the show, and some messages as well. Reading those out. So if you want to get involved, you can hashtag FIA14 on Twitter. If you want to send a message or a shout out, or you can manage to sneak a picture of you with the 380 in the background, whatever it is, get in touch. Absolutely, I've got a tweet up here from Duo innovate, I think we've done that. Last 2 days at FIA Farnborough Open Day weekend. Nice to see all these families and their excited kids. Excited kids, I would imagine. But yes, I think there's a lot of families here. I can't wait. My two children are still a bit too young, but I think for the next show I'm going to bring my boy.